Are you dismayed by the ever-growing number of ads on TV and in print by those big law firms? I am. Yes, size matters, but it's not the way they portray. These huge national law firms with many offices and lawyers make their money because of the volume of cases they process. Yes, that's what it is. It's a process. They do not necessarily have any expertise in any particular area of law. They are a big business. With a personal injury case, and especially cases involving brain injuries, smaller and focused is better. Why? Because who you choose as your attorney will make all the difference in the world. Brain injury cases are complex. Bigger is not better for representing brain injury survivors in vehicle wrecks, truck collisions, pedestrian accidents, unsafe construction sites, dangerous buildings, and in medical malpractice cases. When seeking an attorney, knowledge and experience about how brain damage impacts your life is essential. The ability to accurately communicate both in and out of the courtroom are essential considerations in choosing an attorney. The big shot TV lawyers who claim they are the largest law firm in the country or can achieve a better result than the first offer from an insurance company will not be there to personally handle your case. They are spokespeople. Your case will be passed along to a mill of paralegals, associates, and assistants who will not really know you or understand your case. Maybe you won't always have the same person in the firm to interact with. Maybe you will talk to a different attorney, paralegal, or other assistant each time, and that can be extremely frustrating. And more importantly, does this attorney really understand brain injury? You will just be a case file number in their computer case management system. You need a lawyer and a law firm who will provide compassionate individual attention to you and to your case, and understand what happened to you and how it has affected your life, the lives of your loved ones, and what you will need in the future. Brain injuries are difficult to explain and difficult to understand. You need a lawyer and a law firm who will take the time to understand you and your injuries. You need a lawyer and a law firm with the knowledge and resources to assist in connecting you with brain injury experts for evaluation, care, and rehabilitation. You need a lawyer and a law firm that understands the government benefits you may be entitled to and how to access them. You need a lawyer and a law firm who will respect you and understand that though you may look and sound fine, your invisible brain injury has affected every aspect of your life. Not every case is right for every lawyer. Following a traumatic brain injury, one of the most consequential decisions you make is the attorney you choose to represent you and your interest. The best rehabilitation in the world cannot change what happened in a split second. And an attorney assumes an important role in the life of a brain injury survivor and his or her family, handling insurance disputes, preparing applications for government assistance, arranging ongoing rehabilitation needs, preparing for guardianship, and obtaining compensation for your lifetime requirements. Nothing is a substitute for an attorney's specialized knowledge and experience in advocating on behalf of brain injury victims. The better prepared he or she is, the more your interests will be protected. The tragedy of brain injury has far-reaching consequences. Your brain injury attorney is a member of your team from day one. And unfortunately, many people make poor or ill-informed decisions in selecting the appropriate attorney to represent them. They believe that those with the omnipresent ads will offer the best services. This is often far from the truth. I frequently hear from individuals that their attorney hasn't taken the time to explain things, does not return phone calls, and attempts to force a client to settle his or her case because of a failure to understand concussions, brain damage, and their lifetime physical, cognitive, emotional, and behavioral consequences. Big TV attorneys make money by rapidly processing and attempting to settle them quickly. This is not good representation. To me, it's horrifying, and I'm embarrassed by these ads and lawyers. So let me say this again. Size does matter, but it is the opposite of what you hear and what you may believe. Bigger is not better for you and your case. Hiring a lawyer because of their television ads, jingles, or exaggerated promises is not the best way to obtain legal services in any personal injury case, especially for those who have suffered a brain injury. You need a lawyer and a law firm equipped to navigate a system unwilling to understand the long-term consequences of a brain injury. You are entitled to good, knowledgeable, and zealous representation. You are just not a number.